Ketobiotic was a term I came up for my patients years ago because when the keto movement happened, what ended up happening is we forgot the microbiome. We forgot to feed our microbiome with like polyphenol, prebiotic, probiotic foods, which is our fruits and vegetables. I don't recommend anybody goes without fruits and vegetables for long periods of time, but it's more harmful for women. We have a whole set of bacteria in our gut that breaks estrogen down. Women need a higher carb, nature's carbs version of the ketogenic diet. So Ketobiotic, it's 50 grams of net carbs. Net carbs is really important. It takes the fiber out of the carb equation. It takes total carbs, you subtract the fiber from it, and now you have a net carb. Woman can actually get more calories. She can get more nutrients to her gut when she does Ketobiotic, focusing on making sure that her keto is paired with the foods that are going to support a healthy microbiome.